And if you're building, like once you get the repair out the way, right? Once you fix what you got going on and you get the repairing stage out the way. So next, you looking into building your credit, right? So one of the things you can do, you need to go get 2 credit cards, right? You get your unsecured credit card. If you can't get a secured credit card, then you want to get an unsecured credit card. So mostly all banks offer an unsecured credit card. I mean, a secured credit card, right? You might have to put $500 in or whatever, and then you start using that until you build it up. And then after 6 months, they turn it into a regular credit card, right? They turn it into a regular credit card. But once you guys get a 680, you can pretty much get anything you want. That's when you need to start looking into converting. Comment, credit, and I'll send you the free resources.